Technology plays a major role in our personal lives as well as in our businesses. Whether it's a desktop, laptop, all-in-one, tablet, or smartphone, Computuners is your one-stop for sales, upgrades, repairs, and optimization. We always provide our customers with a free diagnosis and a free estimate to give you all of your options for the best way to move forward, no matter what type of device you have or what you use it for. Our optimized, user-friendly setup ensures that updates, virus scans, and ongoing maintenance are automatically handled for you. This allows you to focus on productivity. We install only essential applications, rather than a bunch of free trials and unnecessary programs that take up valuable space and resources. This way, your device is ready to use from the moment you pick it up. Anytime you need help, all it takes is a phone call. When you call us for support, you get us 7 days a week. Never a call center or an outsourced department. You can be confident knowing that we are always here to assist you. Our expert technicians can help consult a cost-effective solution, whether it's getting a new computer, upgrading your current computer and making it faster, fixing your cracked laptop or smartphone screen, or anything else. You can also recycle or trade in what you have for credit towards another device or service, which goes hand in hand with our free data destruction service, so you can confidently get rid of your old computers and devices. We offer a contactless curbside pickup and drop-off service for all work that we perform. Give us a call at 845-652-8592 or visit us online at Computuners.com for more information. We hope to hear from you soon.